Hi guys, my name is ChaCha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've decided to open a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna be cooking, baking, make a little snacks, healthy food, African food, and other food that I can cook. I love baking, so I just thought, you know what? Why not share my experience with other people and just put it out there for people to see and enjoy as well, like I do. And so I'll be posting videos once a week. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, and please go follow my Instagram, which is Chacha Soul Food. I'm gonna put it down on description box. And don't forget to follow my Snapchat as well, which is same Chacha Soul Food. And yeah, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and please put the notification button on, so then every time I post new video you get notified. And yeah, thank you very much and welcome to my channel. Mwah, love you.